Welcome back to the Clean My Space channel. My name is Melissa Maker and I am an accidental cleaning expert, which means I hate cleaning. So why am I doing it? Because I like to find the most efficient and effective ways to get the job done right the first time so we can all move on and do more enjoyable things in life. And today I'm going to share with you 5 rules for a cleaner bathroom, because maintaining your bathroom can be overwhelming, especially if you let things build up. And I believe that a bathroom should always be, let's call it, guest ready. Meaning, if your best friend knocks on your door unannounced and wants to come in for coffee and a hangout, you're not going to die of embarrassment when they go and use your bathroom. So in this video, we'll cover those 5 rules. They're easy. You can stick with them. You just have to know what they are. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel and give this video a thumbs up for a clean bathroom, because no one likes a dirty gas station bathroom. Bathrooms are among the most valuable real estate in a home because they are small, but so much happens here, especially in the bathroom. Hair, makeup, body maintenance, and we need a lot of little products and tools to get that job done. But especially in a public bathroom in a home, if that stuff is cluttering up the counter, it just feels straight up awkward for a guest to use it. And let alone a guest, when you're coming into your bathroom, it feels overwhelming to find a product or a little bit of counter space if you've got tons of stuff on there. So I understand that not everybody has a large counter and you might even have a pedestal sink, but the idea here is that you want to reduce as much clutter as possible in the bathroom, whether that means finding a great storage solution or organizing solution. The idea is you want to keep your counter as clean and clear as possible so that you can be functional in the space and use whatever real estate you do have horizontally for the task at hand. And then anything that you're not using, you can store away. Whenever I use somebody else's bathroom and I've finished washing my hands, I always say to myself, do I trust these towels? Like, when was the last time this person probably washed their towels? Sometimes I'll just end up wiping my hands on my pants because I have trust issues. And other times, if I know it's a fastidious person, I will use their hand towels. Now that could just be me, but frankly, in any bathroom, there needs to be a textiles routine. So in my bathroom, for example, this is my daughter's bathroom plus our guest bathroom because we live in a bungalow. She's got a towel beside her sink that she uses to wipe all the toothpaste off her face, and I don't want our guests using that. So on days like today when we're filming, I actually leave an additional hand towel out on the counter. We also have bath towels, which we use for a couple of goes in our house. We're always drying these out after each use so that they don't get musty. And we use face cloths. For me, I actually use 2 face cloths a day because I take off makeup and I also have acne prone skin, so I don't want to be reusing face cloths. In my house, I probably do a load of towels / bathroom textiles once a week, but I am changing them out at least twice a week. So I'll go through the house, kind of pull everything out when everything's dry, and then I replace everything. It doesn't take long, but it just makes the bathroom feel fresh. And I know if I have a guest come over, they won't feel weird about using our stuff. To me, one of the hallmarks of a clean bathroom is a clean and splatter-free mirror, and I will extend that to the faucets as well. If you walk into a bathroom and you can't see yourself among all the toothpaste splatters and dried off hand flicks, well, that's a problem. There's a simple way to maintain this, and while you might think it's paper towel, just keeping a roll under your bathroom sink and touching things up, I'm going to challenge that and I'm going to say switch to a flat weave microfiber cloth for a couple of reasons. First of all, they're not disposable, so you can use these tons and tons and tons of times. And second of all, they leave a streak-free and lint-free result, so you get much better results using this anyway. Now, I would suggest using a DIY glass cleaner, and my solution, I take a spray bottle, I add a cup of white vinegar, a cup of water, and a teaspoon of cornstarch, which provides just enough texture and grit to lift anything off a mirror, but without scratching. You gotta try this. You will be a changed person, I promise. But the combination of this flat weave microfiber cloth, that great DIY glass cleaner, and a little bit of extra attention, a couple times a week, just touching up those messy spots, will make your mirrors and your faucets shine. A big challenge in any bathroom is soap scum, hard water buildup, and mildew / mold. depending on your flavor. So the easiest thing you can do to combat that, two things. First of all, you can ventilate. You ventilate during your shower and for at least 30 minutes after, if not 60. If you don't have an overhead fan, open a window. What you want to do is you want to bring the humidity level down so that this space is not a friendly, fun environment for bacteria / mold / mildew to fester and grow and live its best life. And the other thing that you want to do is use a squeegee on tile and tub surfaces as well as glass surfaces after your shower. This does not have to take 3 minutes. I do it, Chad does it, we do it in our house every single day. It takes less than a minute, but what it does is it removes all of the liquid from your surfaces. Therefore, when everything dries, your tiles, your glass, your tub, it's nice and clean and you will never see soap scum. I promise you, if you start doing this on a regular basis, never will come the day when you have to roll up your sleeves, get out the heavy duty soap scum remover and the sponge and scrub for half an hour. That is gone. Whether it's nose hair trimmings, chunks of toothpaste in the sink, spilled face oil, whatever happens to make its way onto your bathroom surfaces, rather than leaving it, wipe it up immediately. Those little messes compound and make your bathroom look so dirty so fast. So the tip here is just to stay on top of those little messes, and it takes nothing more than grabbing a couple squares of toilet paper or a microfiber cloth that you keep in your bathroom specifically for this purpose and wiping up those surfaces. Case in point, my daughter was standing right here yesterday brushing her teeth, and she has this affinity for using a lot of toothpaste and then spitting it out in the sink. And what was I doing? Just running the water and rinsing it down at the exact same time. Because when we don't stay on top of that, this sink looks disgusting. So now that you have these 5 rules to keep your bathroom cleaner, you see, like, it's not a lot of work. It's just the mental notes that you have to make to stay on top of this stuff so that your bathroom is always guest ready and your bathroom makes you feel better every time you use it. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, how do you feel about using someone else's bathroom when you're at their home? Do you generally have good experiences? Have you had anything weird happen to you in a guest bathroom, or have you stumbled across anything weird? And further to that point, are you comfortable sitting on someone else's toilet seat or using their hand towels? Or are you somebody who recoils at that thought and you line it with toilet paper, or you crouch and you just use your pants? I am a little bit finicky, so if I know the house is clean, I'm very happy to sit on the toilet seat, use their hand towel. But if I question how well they take care of their space, well, I have my methods. I will also mention that the beautiful flat weave cloth, as well as the luxury face cloths, the hand towels, and the bath towels that you saw me using today in this video are all on makersclean.com. It's my line of microfiber cleaning tools and a bath collection, so you can check that out. And if you want to learn how to clean your bathroom in detail like a pro, you can check out this video right over here. Couple of ways to support the Clean My Space channel. If you enjoyed this video, of course you can subscribe. And like I said, you can check out makersclean.com, where all of our microfiber tools are available. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.